because the way they prepare the food is so fucked up that they don't want God to see them eat it. So they just put
What
some.
the?
Yep.
That's not true.
No, it's
What's it
true.
called? Show me a picture of this. Bird, brandy bird,
Ortolan. Yeah.
ortolan.
So
Me or this one?
this is how they eat it.
Ortolan.
Like they cover their faces and then they eat the whole bird. That's the dish right there. Literally a small bird. They fatten it up and they drown it in alcohol like brandy, and then they cook it
That's wild.
alive.
And the soul is, that's why it's so delicious. They put the thing over their head not to cover themselves from God, but to capture the little bird's spirit into their mouths.
Oh my god, that's wicked.